Hi, I'm Jocelyn. I'm here to introduce the Raytech range of vibratory tumblers. This is the TB10 that we have here, and we also have a smaller model which is half the capacity of this one that is here now, which is called the TB5. In front of me I also have a polishing compound that I feel is essential for the completion of your work to a high polish. We also have two types of stainless steel mix shop. This is a compact design, easy to use and ideal for small manufacturing, perfect for cleaning up your castings. Very little preparation is required, brings work to desired finish, frees you up to do other work at the same time on your bench, and it is great for the retailer for refreshing and cleaning up your items that are for sale once they get tarnished and they've been around a little bit too long.